Hi guys, welcome back to my channel You and I Can Cook. Today I have prepared green masala roast chicken in the air fryer. I always wanted to try roasting chicken with green masala after I tried it on green masala pomfret fry. And believe me guys, this chicken turned out so delicious, juicy and so good that I had to make it on 2 consecutive days on my family's demand. Do try it out and I'm sure you will love it too. Let's get started with the recipe now.
Add 3 green chilies, a piece of ginger, 4 cloves of garlic, peppercorns, cumin, turmeric powder, garam masala powder, coriander leaves, mint leaves, lemon juice, salt, add 2 tablespoons of hung curd, grind everything to a smooth paste, add 1 tablespoon of oil, apply little salt inside the chicken. Now I'm going to apply this green masala which I prepared. I have put salt inside this masala also. Rub inside thoroughly on all sides. Now apply the green masala under the skin as well. I'm going to turn it the other side. Apply the remaining masala on the outside. Set aside to marinate for at least 1 hour. I've tied the legs here with a string. I'm going to place it in the basket, breast side down. Apply the remaining masala to the chicken